Are you looking for a professional nail drill machine? In this video, I will show you the 5 best professional nail drill machine based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the MAKARTT nail drill. As pioneers in the space, MAKARTT professional nail drill was built with innovation and simplistic use in mind for technicians and customers of any skill level, combination of design, precision, and user-friendly controls, perfect for salon and home use. Rechargeable electric nail file. MAKARTT acrylic nail drill can operate up to 6 hours after full charge in 100-240V. The control box has an LED display, variable speed dial, forward and reverses button. Comes with 5 PCS nail drill bits and sanding bands. MAKARTT nail drill machine helps you comfort use with your nails. Powerful and smooth enough for natural acrylics nails, gel polish dip powder nails, as well as removal cuticle dead skin, calluses. The 4th product on the list is the YAFEX nail drill. This nail drill comes with a LCD display and shows that a range of 0 to 35,000 RPM and helps adjust the desired speed. Meet you to do more efficient nail work, such as acrylic nails, gel nail polish, poly gel nail kit, dip powder nail kit, nail buffing and shaping, pet nail grinding, and primary engraving. For your convenience when doing nail art, there are 2 USB ports in the back of the nail drill machine, and you can connect to a mini fan, a nail lamp, or charge your phone. The 3rd product on the list is the YOKE Fellow nail drill. This nail drill design with 6 different metal drill bits with high speed up to 35,000 RPM. Low heat, low noise, super low vibration, powerful and smooth. Variable speed control for your different usage needs. Suitable for natural acrylic nails, gel polish dipping sauce powder nails, and exfoliation of dead skin and calluses. Professional home and salon use, carving, engraving, routing, grinding, sanding, cutting, polishing, drilling. The 2nd product on the list is the DELANIE professional nail drill. This professional nail drill machine has 4.5 Nm high torque and variable speeds up to 35,000 RPM, delivering non-stop strong power for productivity. This rechargeable nail drill is equipped with a 2000 mAh battery for up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. This powerful e-file nail drill can not only shape or file natural nails with low settings, but is also ideal for more difficult tasks such as handling thick nails, dipping powder, and acrylic nails with high settings. The 1st product on. Designed with 6 PCS different metal bits and high adjustable 3000 to 30,000 RPM. Low heat, low noise, low vibration. Powerful and smooth enough for natural acrylics nails, gel polish dip powder nails, as well as removal cuticle dead skin, calluses. Professional for both home and salon use, for carving, engraving, routing, grinding, sharpening, sanding, cutting, polishing, drilling, and perfect for pet nail sanding. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.